Ngaze ngazalwa kabusha aze ngaba yi-newborn baby. For my Bolt, it's not Uber over here, we use Bolt. So I look cute, right? Don't I look cute? I feel like the jewelry is just too much accessorizing, but you only live once. There's a motto, baby yellow every day, and my nails match with everything. These are press-ons, right? And I made a makeshift design with regular nail polish because I don't have nail polish. Yeah, and they've quite grown out, Shim. One thing about me and press-ons, they last. I'm on my way to the mall. I'm just running errands, and I'm gonna use foot stamp scare today. So guys, get ready for that.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Halle Berry. But she don't love me, she too scary.
So right now I'm at the mall. I want to sit a bit. I have to upload a story time video, and it also has Kuli's YouTube channel, which I'm gonna link down below. I know it sounds crazy that I keep on promoting her, but you know, she when she sent her promotion, like YouTube video promotion request, there was literally no food in my parents' house. So I feel more attached to promoting her. Guys, please go and subscribe. Morning. It's 7:55 a.m. and I've been awake since 5 a.m. Really? It's just that the weather is gloomy. I couldn't go and stand outside as per usual, but I'm awake. Hi guys, I'm Lee Sparkles and I sparkle, you sparkle, we sparkle. Welcome to the Sparkle Fam. If you're new to the Sparkle Fam, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and turn on your notification bell so that you get notified every time I post. And if you've been part of the Sparkle Fam, hi darlings, I hope you stay sparkly. So my sister's babies are just awake, laughing at whatever they're watching on the internet. Oh my word, I'm so exhausted, guys. When I tell you that eczema is exiting the group chat, look at my lips. It was on my lips, guys. Believe it or not. And also this side, I had this huge dry patch that was flaking off my right here. It was flaking off. Right here, it was flaking off. But this side was not as bad as this side. This side was horrible. And I'm sure you saw the videos, right? I don't need to explain a lot. So, yeah, I'm gonna get dressed. Oh, I have to get my nephew's hair money. Yeah. Turns out my brother needs to bath like now. So I'm under pressure to be quick because my brother wants to bath. So oh, I feel like it's dark. Popular. You gotta be popular. Okay, let me be in a hurry. Just brush my teeth and do the basic because this is one soap that I've been using for a whole entire month. Skipping days without bathing with soap. Obviously, my face and my hot areas get soap every day. Cannot compromise that. But just using water. YouTube, monetize me. Give me money. I need toiletries. A girl needs to bath. Guys, please interact. Comment, all of you. While you're watching this, comment. Do everything you need to do to engage. Watch the video maybe twice. Watch all my old videos. Like, get the watch hours up, guys. Do something. Help a sister out here. Hey, God, I need this. Whew. Okay, guys, let me just brush my teeth, call it a day. Move on. People say they love my voice. Guys, do you love my voice? I feel like it's weird. People are, oh, I like your voice. Oh, I like your voice. I like the way you talk. I like the way you pronounce things. Aibonina. Hemfetsu. Ah, Ma, what's happening? Ma? What? Ma Pachum. Okay, let me be quick. My mom was just reminding me that my brother needs to go somewhere and I'm busy being slow. She's like, hurry up, my son needs to go. Okay, okay, okay. Right. So, guys, am I the only one? And it's been happening. Oh, let me close the tab. Let me try and close the tab. It's been happening for the last like 3 years. Every time I brush my teeth, I get gag reflexes. Like, I feel like I could just vomit. Is this normal? It's been happening for like 3 years now. I just can't stand it being in my mouth. Oh, I'll check later.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out. Yes, I'm in now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You, baby, baby, baby. I've been on my empty mind, shit. I should've came from losing resume. I worry that I wasted.
Acting like my phone is waterproof and it's not. It's really raining. I'm at the mall right now. Um, I need Wi-Fi, so I'm carrying my laptop, you guys, and we're going over there to McD. I need to upload 2 videos and schedule them because last week I had a problem with uploading a video. I had to upload it sitting at the mall at night, but it's not a problem. It's not a train smash. Right now, I'm just gonna sit there and make tea, try and upload 2 videos, get coffee, and see what else to but home and see what else to do.
Like a glance from the past, you can see the dark. In the frame, you're the poster of the wall. My dreams, you the prince, and I'm the pop. Fairy tales, I'm not used to that. Oh, you got me questioning what you've done. You used to be out of
awusangitshela ukuthi ngikhaya sidiya mara mntana kithi. Hayi, you're right. By the way, I'm with my little sis. She brought my ID over because obviously I didn't carry it because I didn't think I needed it. But it turns out I needed to fetch a package here from Cooley. Right now we're about to get my package with my embarrassingly falling apart green book ID. I'm one of those people who don't wanna make this new smart ID. I refuse. I'll I'll call you guys later. I don't know. We're gonna see. Why is it heavy? It was supposed to be one very light thing. Hi, when I what if there's a food? Don't break my package. Don't break my package, girl. So yeah, guys, we're done at Pep. We're on our way to a shop right here, guys. With my nurses. She's saying is tempting her to throw it on the floor. You see, we don't need enemies when we have siblings like this.
No, it's the intrusive thoughts, it's not me.
She's saying it's her intrusive thoughts to be evil, and you are proud of it. Saying it on a public platform.
It doesn't sound like
But
something that's right.
oh my god, it's so packed, it's so uncomfortable. Like bumping into listen to the you see why I like to come to the mall at night, guys. Packed, annoying. Try to be a content creator. I just don't want to show people's faces. Bengizothi shoot a full body manje. I don't like doing that. I respect. Thank you so much. Okay, sister,
We are going out of the shop, guys. We are going out of the shop.
what the fuck?
Out of the shop. And people be looking at us like we're crazy and stuff. And he took the slave like whoops out of the hand.
Nina. But with skincare. So like, which are they in focus? Is it in focus?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Don't move.
Mm-hmm. 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 Everything I was saying.
Iyahamba i-double chin, guys. The double chin is go.
Upside down. Upside down. Igama. Yeah.
You wanna also post this on YouTube?
Buena gracias. Okay.
Me lo puedo poner alone.
Yeah.
I really love how it smells. This is so. It smells so good. It smells so good. Let's see. Hey, hey. Oh, goodie bye. Oh, goodie bye. The eye bags. It's on my ear. Over words, Nina. So an extra set. It's from. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. I'm speechless. Angazi nokuthi ukuthini indaba I'm too happy. Hi, why you chiga?
Yes. Okay.
I hope uvezanga this whole
Isivelile yonke inhlakanzo.
I'm really speechless. I really don't know what to say, especially for the skincare. You're gonna guys take along with me to see the progress, how it does on my skin. You know, especially when it comes to my breakouts, you guys are gonna find out if it's gonna help me a lot, especially with just overall just the texture. I can see with the marks and all that that's gonna take a long time. But for now, we're gonna see with the texture, how it changes the bumps on my face. I really am speechless. I really don't know what to say. I'm just grateful. Thank you so much.
Hey. Angitholeme ngaphandle nalast ngekagijimisa lona ngenduku. Ithe ngangibona ngoba